At this point, we want to make sure that we have uh, a name for this one. So let's change it to pipe. I'll put it as pipe. There's one more place in which we need to change it, which I believe is this one. Well, if we actually go over here, you're gonna see that is color face, and we can change that here. Again, you can do right click, rename, or you can just click, wait a few seconds, and then click again, and I'm just gonna change it to pipe. After having done so, notice that this changed to pipe over here as well. I don't need this. I'm gonna close it up. Okay. Next thing that we need or that we should do is assign parts to regions. So we're gonna go here. We will now do uh, create a region for each part. We are just going to create a boundary for each part surface. And then lastly, we're going to create contact mode interfaces from contacts. I believe that's what we need in there. So create contact mode interfaces from contacts. Yeah, we'll go with that. Okay, so then as soon as I select apply, we're gonna see here in regions, we're gonna get updated items in there. So apply, close, and now I have these fluids, boundaries, inlet. I want to make that as mass flow inlet. If I select outlet, I wanna select that as pressure outlet, which is here. Okay. Um, Next thing is that I need to go to continue, new physics, select models. In this case, I want to have liquid, segregated flow. Next one is going to be three-dimensional. I want to have a constant density, steady. Let's select turbulent. Let's do K epsilon turbulence. And in here, there's two things that we want to do. We want to do cell quality, and let's choose gravity as well. Let's go ahead and close it. So make sure you have all of this in there. So close. We now have here, you can tell that we have H2O or water as a default. Okay. Reference values. Let's change gravity. Gravity, as you can tell, or as you guys can tell, I want for the gravity to be along the y-axis, and as of right now is along the z, no, along the x. So x, y, z actually along the z, and that's not actually true. So I need to put this as negative 9.81, and I'm gonna make this as a 0. Okay, enter. So I've changed that. Good. Um, Everything else is just gonna be default. You also have over here initial conditions, pressure, turbulence. I'm gonna leave that as default as well. Let's go to the inlet. Inlet. Again, we made that as mass flow inlet. Um, yeah, we'll leave it as that, and let's change the value for the mass flow rate. And if this is too big, it'll probably make this whole thing blow. We don't want that, so we'll just put 0.01 instead. Enter. And that's it for this portion right here. Afterwards, we're gonna create a mesh and we'll take it from there. So as of right now, this is it.